I thought this would be a great opportunity to show why when you go with daylight windows for your basement, you typically need French drains. The grade would normally keep running at that height. When you cut the grade down so that you could install the daylight windows for the basement, you lose all that pitch, all that slope. So it's really, really hard to get the water out of the yard. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. A French drain will take care of that spongy, soft backyard. But be prepared if you have daylight windows to address that issue. If you go with an elevated patio and you have a lot of base material under it, after a rain event, there will be a lot of water running out of that base material, and it'll usually be pretty wet around that patio. For French drain and downspout, yard water management, yard drainage contractors, give us a call.